Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change a Ford Explorer battery. First, gather your essential tools like a 10mm wrench, a battery terminal cleaner, and safety glasses. Always ensure your vehicle is completely off and the parking brake is firmly engaged. Locate the battery, which is typically found under the hood on the passenger side. Safety is paramount, so take your time and follow each step carefully. Now, let's safely disconnect the old battery. It is crucial to always disconnect the negative terminal first to prevent any electrical shorts. Use your wrench to loosen the nut, then carefully remove the cable. Next, proceed to disconnect the positive terminal in the same manner. Finally, remove any hold-down clamps or straps that secure the battery in place, preparing it for removal. With the old battery out, it is time to install the new one. First, clean the battery tray and terminals thoroughly with a wire brush to ensure a good connection. Carefully place the new battery into the tray, making sure it sits securely. Then, secure it with the hold-down clamp. Connect the positive terminal first, followed by the negative terminal, tightening both firmly for a reliable connection. Before you finish, perform a few final checks. Double-check all connections to ensure they are tight and secure. Apply anti-corrosion grease to the terminals. This helps extend your battery's life. Remember to properly dispose of your old battery at a certified recycling center. Finally, start your engine to confirm the new battery is functioning correctly and providing reliable power to your Ford Explorer.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.